Bunge la kaunti ya Narok limegeuzwa kuwa uwanja wa mabishano wakati mwakilishi wodi wa Narok Town Douglas Moskonte alipokuwa akitoa hotuba yake ya shukrani kwa kuchaguliwa kuwakilisha wakazi katika bunge hilo. Moskonte alionekana kuwazomea maafisa wa usalama waliomvamia nyumbani kwake usiku wa kuamkia siku ya upigaji kura Novemba 27.
The team was ambushed by police in full armor. Tear gas canisters were thrown. They were beaten by crude weapons. Children and women were assaulted while hot tea was poured on them. 17 vehicles meant to support mobility on voting day were vandalized. This level of aggression should never be directed at innocent wananchi.
Some of us are in another party, UDA. He came up courageously. He fought his campaign without fear, and indeed God has taken his position, and the leader is here by the grace of God. And we hereby take this opportunity to welcome him and urge him to work with the government of the day.
The people of Narok Town had nothing completely against the competitor of Douglas Moskonte. What they did, they protested against corruption, they protested against poor leadership, they protested against an enemy of the people. That's why today we have Douglas Moskonte here.
Na ndio nakuomba tuweze kufanya pamoja, tushirikiane ili watu wa Narok Town waweze kupata faida ya serikali yao.